how to change audio language in YouTube videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, TikTok has introduced a new feature that allows creators to upload multiple audio languages. So, to change the audio language, viewer needs to open the YouTube video. So, first things first, open up your YouTube and then go to video where you want to change the audio language. But sometimes all the creators do not upload different audio languages. So, make sure that you open a video with different audio languages and then go to settings on the top right, and there you'll see the audio track option. Tap on it and you can see the list of audio tracks that you can change the audio to. So you can change it to any that you want. Just tap on it and then it will be changed to Japanese, like I just clicked on Japanese. So if I want to change in any other available languages, then I just have to go to settings and then just tap on it, and that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.